The processor wars just got a whole lot hotter. AMD has issued a second statement regarding the issues surrounding their Ryzen 7000 series processors, which have seen some chips not only bulging out and overheating to the point they become desoldered, but also doing considerable damage to the motherboards they are installed in. In response, AMD has released AGSA, Advanced Generation Simplified Application, updates, which are the building blocks of the BIOS firmware updates that will be issued by the motherboard vendors. In the statement released by AMD, they have outlined the measures they are taking to reframe the problem, including capping the SoC, system on chip, voltages at 1.3 volts, to prevent the CPU from operating beyond its specification limits. They reassured customers that these measures will have no effect on the ability of their Ryzen 7000 processors to overclock memory using EXPO or XMP kits or boost performance using PBO technology. The statement from AMD also directs anyone whose CPU has been impacted by this issue to contact AMD customer service and that their team is prioritizing these cases. As expected, the motherboard makers have followed suit with their own press releases, reaffirming the statements made by AMD and emphasizing the need to update BIOS firmwares in order to address the issue. It is clear that the processor wars are only going to intensify, and that AMD and the motherboard makers are investing considerably into rectifying this latest bump in the road. For the latest updates and developments about CPU and storage news, as well as in-depth reviews and helpful tips, be sure to check out Tom's Hardware US.